Here. So I just want to show you guys. I'm always posting trade setups and stuff. I just want to show you um, trades that we plan that go against us and how we can just adapt in the moment to get out in time. Okay, so this is Lena, and so we actually waited for this two consecutive candle closes on the 30, and then we decided to enter this trade. Actually, I'm sorry. Yes, it was 3. So we have, if we can just remove this for just a second, you can see that losing this 382 was actually going to be the was going to be considered our short entry right here, and we did. And so we had one 30-minute here, then another one back tested, came back down. Then we had this hammer right here. So we pretty much entered when it was going down. Okay, and so now fast forward to the time being, where we have it clearing the 382, where we at short, and so just started seeing price come back up, and I said, I went into the chat and we're talking with my buddy, and we're talking about Lena's trying hard. I said, yes, if it clears the 382 again, I'll just hop out. And so what did it do? Let's go down to the 1 minute time frame. It cleared this 382 and rallied up on a 1 minute candle, but almost 2%. But as soon as it cleared this 382, I just got out of that. I saw this candle here. I saw as soon as it closed above it, I said, you know what? I'm out. And here we have it. And it's done back tested again. I think it'll roll up again. Either way, there's no point in me staying in this trade after I saw that sign of strength. I really, even if it goes, even if it goes back down, I just feel like there's too much strength. And there you go. There you have it, So some trades you want to let it play out all the way, but if you have this feeling that it's going to be strong again, there's really no point in letting the trade play out and losing that 1% that we risk, And that's what I felt here. And so, but ultimately, I would say about 80% of the time, I would just let my trades normally play out. But once I see a little bit of a conviction from this, and there's a level that I'm looking at for it to clear, and I see that, I'm getting out. And so we did. So yeah, just want to show you guys. It's not all wins and butterflies, and trading is a game of probabilities, and we have to learn when to keep our losses small, and keep our gains big at all times, and that's what it's about.